What's up, you guys? It's your girl Victoria. Today I'm back with another video. So today's video is a review on some hair that I got from UNice. Today I am wearing their little robe that they be giving out to people, and I think it's so cute. So this is what my hair looks like right now. We gonna not play, jump straight into the video and do what we do. So let's get into what came in the box. So this robe actually came in the box. It is a long robe and it's cute. My favorite color, of course. And then this is the box that it comes in. Those are the wig caps. The one that says UNice is the wig cap that supposedly you can't detect it or whatever the case may be. Next, they gave me this heart that says UNice on it. Shower cap. I'm loving the pink. Little makeup brush, which is cute and very soft, but it's already falling apart. So that's something to keep in mind. Y'all, I love the update on the lashes. Look at the lashes, y'all. They've been doing their damn thing. And I got a elastic band. I've been waiting on this elastic band. I wanted the one that said UNice on it, but I guess I could use this one for any other hair review I do. It's the elastic bands. And flip it like that. It's so nice. Let's get into the wig. So this is a V-part wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and preview the inside, and then we're just going to go ahead and flow through the video. So this is the inside. It comes with clips because this is supposed to help it lay flat so that you don't have to worry about it being bumpy and stuff like that. It comes with 3 of these type of combs in it. One right here, adjustable straps, and this is the hair. This is a 28-inch. It's kind of brown and my hair is kind of black, but I think it'll do for the curly, whatever the case may be. And when you wet hair, it kind of gets dark. So this is the texture. I'm guessing it's like a natural curl. Nothing too much. It's a 28-inch. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead. I'm gonna fast forward through this because this is very like easy. And I hate that I'm like putting myself pressed to rest, but hey, what can I say? All right, let's get into this video.
30 hertz straight up.
right, y'all, so this is the finished look. It's cute or whatever. It's cute or whatever. Y'all let me know in the comments below. What do y'all think? It's cute or whatever. It blends really good. If you want your hair to blend really good, go ahead and use this right here. It's gonna flatten it, and it's gonna also get you right. It's gonna get you right. Now I want you to see kind of in the front it gives layers and then it gets really long. Alright y'all, so this is the end of this video. This hair is really affordable. All the important links will be in my description box below. So if you guys want to purchase this wig and you feeling how thick, and this density is 150, the inch is 28 inches, and it's just giving nice. I should have washed it and then like probably came back, but everything will be in the comments below, you guys. If you want to purchase this wig, definitely look below. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and if you want to see more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and comment below. And well, I said that. Yeah, I said that. And I'll see you guys in the next video.